I'm Marcus. I'm a bartender at the Sunshine Inn, and hidden away at the back, we're in DD's. So the Sunshine Inn, situated in Redfern, we're a small bar and restaurant, primarily using a lot of Australian ingredients in our cooking and just making classic cocktails, beers, wines. So I've made the Tommy's Margarita today with 1800 silver tequila, just a tasty bev for any day of the week really. So Tommy's Margarita is a classic twist on the Marg. It uses just 3 main ingredients to highlight the flavors. So you use your tequila, we've used 1800 silver, fresh lime juice, and agave syrup. It's one of those cocktails that are like quite easy and fun to make because everything goes in, bit of ice, shaken up and dumped straight in. I think the Tommy's Margarita is like great for the Australian climate because like you can drink it on hot days. It's a great drink to like start with. That's what I usually start with when I'm drinking out with mates. Feel like everyone loves a margarita, but slightly less sweet. The 1800 silver is quite nice. It's 100% agave, Highland tequila. That's somewhere just in that entry point of like premium tequila. You're not spending too much, but you're still getting that beautiful flavor come through. So yeah, that makes it work perfect in a Tommy's.